Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Students of the Federal College of Education, Omoku, and stakeholders in Ogba, Egbe-Maundoni local government area of Rivers State have hailed the Niger Delta Development Commission for providing major infrastructures for the school. While the school community has been enjoying good road networks and solar-powered streetlights courtesy of the NDDC, the hostels built by the commission is yet to be put to use. The students therefore appeal to the NDDC to site security posts within the school to enable them move into the hostels.
Some 5 years ago, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) built male and female hostels at the Federal College of Education (Omoku) in Rivers State to address students' housing needs. The intervention agency also constructed some internal roads within the school to link the hostels to lecture halls as well as ease movement within the school premises. According to students and alumni of the school, the projects have given the school some level of recognition.
We don't have a huge hostel like this provided by the government, so we're happy that this structure is here.
This is Campus 2, which NDDC have made a road for us, putting the street light for us and all that.
Meanwhile, despite having such hostels with the capacity to accommodate no fewer than 200 students, the buildings, which are almost overgrown by weeds, are yet to be occupied by students. President, Student Union Government of the institution, Albert Samuel, said students have been reluctant to lodge at the hostel because of security concerns. He therefore appealed to the NDDC to consider siting security posts in close proximity to the hostel.
It is very hard for you to call the student to come and stay because they are conscious of the security. So we need a security post or a security outlet within this building.
Students living off campus have to go through long distances to attend lectures. According to the chairman, Ogba Paramount Rulers Forum, King Bright Abali, the NDDC hostel would save students some cost when put to use.
It's a very good idea, it's a lofty idea, but we are concerned that students are not staying here. The betterment of this thing would have been when the project is completed, students are living here to go to their lecture places.
The Federal College of Education, one of Nigeria's 27 federal colleges, is affiliated with the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and hopes to get its own autonomy soonest. According to King Bright Abali, infrastructures such as hostels, road networks, and electricity would help promote the college to a university standard. The institution is also a beneficiary of the NDDC Light Up the Niger Delta scheme, as several solar-powered energy streetlights have been planted around the school campus, and all its roads are well lit.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.